Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling Bluetooth on your computer and placing Airpods into pairing mode. This is the first actionable step. Once paired, open Pro Tools and immediately check Setup, right arrow Playback Engine so you know what device is selected. Make sure to install drivers or create an aggregate device if you need multiple inputs. This prevents routing conflicts. You do this now to avoid audio dropouts and to ensure Pro Tools can see the Airpods as a valid output during the session. Once done with pairing, select the Airpods or your aggregate device as the playback engine. This directs Pro Tools audio to the headphones. Then adjust the H/W buffer size. Choose a smaller buffer for recording to minimize latency, or a larger one for mixing to reduce CPU strain. Next, open i/O setup and map the main outputs to the Airpods stereo channels so you hear tracks correctly. Doing these steps controls both where sound goes and how responsive monitoring feels. You finish by playing a reference track and listening for clicks, latency, or sync problems. Enable low latency monitoring when recording to keep timing tight. If you experience dropouts, increase the buffer size, disable Bluetooth power-saving settings on your computer, or switch to a wired headphone temporarily. Bluetooth can be unstable for Pro audio. Make sure to restart Pro Tools after any device change so routing resets. This final check ensures solid monitoring and a reliable session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.